In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email opt-in form in Wix. Whether you're looking to build your newsletter list or just engage more effectively with your audience, adding an opt-in form is essential. Let's dive right in and make your Wix website more interactive. First, you'll want to log in to wix.com and select the website where you're planning to collect emails. Once you're there, head over to the page that's perfect for your opt-in form. This could be your home page, a footer, or even a pop-up. Just choose the spot that's most strategic for your email collection, and then click on Edit Site to get started. With your site open in the Wix editor, direct your attention to the left toolbar. Click on Add Elements, which is your gateway to enhancing your site. Under Contact and Forms, you will find Wix Forms. Select a form design that suits your needs, perhaps a subscription form or contact form, and drag it directly onto your page. Now let's customize those form fields to fit your requirements. Click on the form you've selected and then navigate to Form Settings. If your focus is strictly on email collection, you might want to remove any unnecessary fields such as a message box. For essentials, make sure to add fields for email and optionally first name or last name for a more personalized touch. Once the form setup looks spot on, make sure all those valuable submissions are being captured correctly. This means connecting your form to Wix contacts, so every signup is recorded. Click on your form, head into Settings, and then ensure Form Submissions is set to store this data into contacts. Adding tags to your contacts is a nifty trick too. It helps in categorizing them for future campaigns. Now onto the exciting part, connecting with your new subscribers through Wix email marketing. Head into your dashboard, open Marketing and SEO, and select Email Marketing. Hit Create New Campaign, and you're ready to start leveraging those freshly collected emails in your marketing endeavors. You'll want to make subscribers feel appreciated after they opt in. With your form open, go to Form Settings to set up a submission message. Craft a welcoming note or consider redirecting them to a designated thank you page where they can access further content or downloads. If your audience spans the globe, ensuring GDPR compliance is critical. This involves adding a consent checkbox to your form with clear wording. For example, I agree to receive marketing emails from your business name. Making this field mandatory ensures that submissions are legally compliant. Finally, styling your form to be visually appealing is crucial. Click on Design and choose Customize Design to adjust the fonts, colors, and other stylistic elements. Make your subscribe button pop. If you want to increase visibility, consider embedding the form within a lightbox pop-up. Before going live, test everything from top to bottom. Submit a test email through the preview mode, verify it appears under dashboard contacts, and when all looks good, hit publish. That's it. Your site now proudly hosts a functional opt-in form. Enjoy connecting with your newfound subscribers.